characteristic feature of fungi. They grow in a warm water and humid place. Warm water like hot springs and humid place where some moisture are present. That places are known as the humid places. Is it clear? Fungi are filamentous with a long, slender, thread-like structure. Already discussed hyphae, and network of hyphae is known as the mycelium, where large number of group of hypha is present. जैसे वॉस के अंदर हम बहुत सारे फ्लावर्स की रो स्टिक्स पुट कर देते हैं ना, रो स्टिक्स लाइक दैट, वैसे ही हाइफा का स्ट्रक्चर होता है एक ही स्ट्रक्चर से. व्हेन मोर देन 10-20 hyphae are generated, that type of structure is known as the mycelium. That type of structure is known as mycelium. They can be septa or no, already discussed है. Cell wall is chitin. Fungi cell wall is made up of material chitin. Is it clear? Cell wall is made up of chitin. Multinucleated cytoplasm known as in uh, the fungi which carry the multinucleated cytoplasm is known as the Cholinergic hypha. The fungi which carry multinucleated cytoplasm. Multinucleated cytoplasm means in one cell cytoplasm more than 2, 3, 4 nucleus are present. That is known as the conocytic hypha. Conocytic hypha. Next है parasitic symbiotic relationship, already discussed. lichen and mycorrhiza रहते हैं. That type of fungi live in symbiotic relationship. Example है lichens and mycorrhiza. Is it clear? Next है reproduction by fragmentation. What is the meaning of fragmentation? Reproduction by fragmentation means fragmentation is a one type of asexual reproduction. No need of gamete. Asexual reproduction, only single parent give birth to next generation. Asexual reproduction means only single parent give birth to next generation. That type of reproduction is known as the asexual, and fungi carry the asexual reproduction, that is known as the fragmentation. Fragmentation, like we have a thread, we cut into 3, 4, 5, 6 pieces, and each thread grow into new thread. That is known as the fragmentation. टुकड़े करना किसी चीज के, जितने आप फ्रेगमेंट प्रोड्यूस करेंगे उतनी फंजाई प्रोड्यूस हो जाएंगी. इज इट क्लियर एवरीबॉडी? That is known as the fragmentation. We have carry one thread, we break down into 3, 4, 5, 6 pieces, and 6 pieces grow into new 6 fungi. That is known as the fragmentation. Is it clear everybody? Reproduction is fragmentation. Fission, fission means division, like amoeba, one cell is divided into 2. That is known as the fission. And budding, some fungi, like जैसे plants के अंदर buds आती है ना and grow into flower. Though some fungi carry the buds and each bud develop into new fungi. That process is also known as the budding, and that is also asexual reproduction. It is also asexual reproduction. Is it clear everybody? Asexual reproduction. What is the meaning of asexual reproduction? In which single parent give birth to a new generation, that is known as asexual reproduction. No need of male and female gamete. Is it clear? No need of male and female. Clear? Asexual reproduction by oospore, acrospore, basidospores. That is the categories of spores. Oospores, overtype spores. Ascospores, small spores. Basidospores, bacillus like spores की formation होती है. That is the category of spores. Next is sexual reproduction also carried out in the fungi, that is plasmogamy and karyogamy. What is the meaning of the plasmogamy and karyogamy? Karyogamy, division of nucleus. Is it clear? Plasmogamy, division of the plasma. Is it clear? Meiosis in the zygote result in the haploid sporodicarion. Sporodicarion. स्पोर्स के डाइकैरियंस प्रोड्यूस होती है. मियोसिस क्या होती है? आपकी रिडक्शनल डिवीजन है. दैट इज द रिडक्शनल डिवीजन इन विच n number of chromosomes are produced. n number मतलब firstly our body is made up of two type of cell. Firstly I discuss this topic. Our body is human body is made up of two type of cell. That is one somatic and next is germinal. Somatic cell always carry 46 number of cell chromosome. Sorry, 46 number of chromosome. Every division when somatic mother cell divided into two daughter cell, then each cell carry 46 number of chromosome. Is it clear? Yani 2n number. 46 number of chromosome is known as the 2n number. Is it clear? Next, germinal cell, that is reproductive sexual cell, that is known as the germinal cell. That carry the, when they form the gamete formation occur in the germinal cell, they carry the n number of chromosome. It means 2n number, 2n divided into nn. When gamete formation occur, that carry the n number of chromosome, means 23 number of chromosome. Is it clear? Then in the fungi, same. When sexual reproduction occur, then haploid spores are produced. Haploid means half number of chromosome they carries. Dikaryophase, a zygote. Dikaryophase in a zygote means 2n number, 46 number of chromosome occur. A haploid spore means haploid number of chromosome, means n number of chromosome, 23 number of chromosome in a male and female. Now we will discuss the based on the morphology, yani external appearance, based on the morphology of mycelium. Mycelium की morphology के according, mode of spore formation. Spore formation कितने type के? How many types of spore formation exist in the fungi? Fruiting body. Which type of fruiting body exists in the fungi? These are four classes. We divided the fungi according to their morphology of mycelium, spore formation, and fruiting body. Based on these characteristic features, we have divided fungi into four classes. Number one, phycomites. Number second, ascomites. Number third, basidomites. Number four, deuteromites. Is it clear? Again, I'll repeat. Phycomites. Second, ascomites. Third, basidomites. Fourth, deuteromites. Is it clear? Now we will discuss characteristic feature of phycomites. What is the phycomites? Aquatic decaying wood mycelium. Aquatic decaying wood mycelium. वाटर के अंदर एग्जिस्ट करते हैं. डीकेइंग वुड जो होती है, आपकी वेस्ट जो वुड खराब डीकेइंग वुड होती है, माइसीलियम इज एसेप्टा एंड कोलिनोसाइट. माइसीलियम इज एसेप्टा मींस मल्टी न्यूक्लिएटेड कंपार्टमेंट कैरी करती है दिस टाइप ऑफ फंजाई. एक ही सेप्टा यानी एक ही कंपार्टमेंट के अंदर आपके क्या है, बहुत सारे न्यूक्लियस एग्जिस्ट करते हैं. लार्ज नंबर ऑफ न्यूक्लियस आर carried out in a single compartment, that is known as the mycelium asepta. And formation किसकी होती है? कोलिनोसाइटिक की. फॉर्मेशन किसकी होती है? कोलिनोसाइट की. asexual mode of reproduction होता है phycomites के अंदर by zoospores. Zoospores means motile spores. They can move from one place to the another place. Is it clear? Zoospores means motile spores. They can move from one place to the another place. Next, another type of asexual reproduction occur by aplanospores. Aplanospores क्या होते हैं? That type of spores are non-motile. They can't move one place to the another place. Is it clear? They can't move from one place to the another place. Characteristic features: phycomites, aquatic decaying wood mycelium is asepta, formation of conocytic, asexual reproduction by two processes, zoospores, motile spore production, aplanospore, non-motile formation of spore. That is example है rhizopus and mucor. Is it clear? Example है rhizospores and mucor. Next we will discuss the characteristic feature of ascomites. Ascomites sac of fungi भी कहते हैं. Sac fungi. Is it clear? Sac fungi. Multicellular है, very important, penicillium, that is used in the different type of antibiotics. Different type of medicines are prepared by the penicillium. Unicellular is it clear? Exceptions I have already told you in I have already told you about is that is exceptions of the fungi. All fungi are multicellular, but exception is there is an exception is there is. Acromites are saprophytic. They are saprophytic means they opt their food from the dead and decaying matter. Is it clear? Saprophytic means they opt their food from dead and decaying matter. Decomposer, they decompose the waste, organic waste, etc. Parasitic, which take their food from the host body in which in on which organism they survive. They are known as the host. Is it clear? Mycelium is branch in this organism. Ascomites fungi. The mycelium is branch like plant. In plants, trees, you have seen the branches like that. Mycelium have also carry the branches. Is it clear? And they are the septa, means each compartment carry only one nucleus. Septa means each compartment, each cell-like structure is present, and each cell-like structure carry only one nucleus. And reproduction is asexual. Spore formation होगी. Or which type of spore formation take place in the ascomites? They are the conidia formation. They form the conidia. Spore formation exists, but through which process? Conidia formation. Is it clear? Asexual reproduction है, spore formation exists, but how? Conidia formation. Is it clear, everybody? Sexual reproduction also occurs. They produce sexual spores called the ascospores. They are non-motile. Ascospores are non-motile. And the sexual reproduction also occurs through spores, yani male या female gametes are produced in this. And the ascospore production, non-motiles होते हैं. Example is इसका, example is Aspergillus and Neurospora. Aspergillus, these are the fungi, Aspergillus and Neurospora. Is it clear, everybody? Next, we will discuss basidomites. Basidomites are the mushrooms. You have already seen in the market mushroom, bracket fungi and puffballs. They are also known as the puffballs. Mushroom, bracket fungi, puffballs. That is known as the basidomites. Basidomites. Grow in soil. You already know about the mushroom grow in soil. Logs, यानी जो आपके लकड़ के टुकड़े होते हैं heavy, they also grow on that. Trees stumps in plant body as a parasite. Plants body पे भी ये grow कर जाते हैं as a parasite. They take their food from the plants, and plant body is host, and the basidomites are the parasites. Mycelium is the branch in this category of fungi, basidomites. Mycelium is branch like a tree, and septa also. Compartment system is exist, and each compartment carry one nucleus. Each compartment carry one nucleus. Reproduction by fragmentation means asexual reproduction hai. Fragmentation occur like I have already told example of the thread. We take a thread and cut into 4 or 5 pieces, and each thread piece grow into new thread. That is known as the fragmentation process. Each fragment grow into new organism. That is known as the fragmentation. The the fungi basidomite carry the reproduction system like fragmentation, asexual reproduction system. डाइकैरियोन है, बेसिडियम कैरियोकर्मी है. ठीक है. एग्जांपल है आपका एग्रीकस मशरूम. इसका एग्जांपल है बेसिडोमाइट्स का मशरूम. इज इट क्लियर? नेक्स्ट क्लास है आपकी फंजाई की, एंड देयर कैरेक्टरिस्टिक फीचर इज देयर deuteromites. They are deuteromites, and characteristic features of the deuteromites are imperfect fungi. They are the imperfect fungi. Mycelium is septa. Mycelium formation है. माइसीलियम इज अ गुलदस्ता लाइक स्ट्रक्चर. वास के अंदर बहुत सारी स्टिक्स पुट करते हैं ना रोजेस की, लाइक वास, that type of structure is known as mycelium. Septac, each compartment carry only one nucleus, and branch formation है mycelium की, again branches are produced. Only asexual reproduction occur by conidial spores. Asexual reproduction है but conidial spores की formation के through, conidial type of spore की formation होती है. Saprophytic है, they are also saprophytic, they opt their food from the dead and decaying matter. Also they also exist as a some classes of detromites also exist as a parasitic, they opt their food from the host body. Decomposer है, dead and decaying matter को decompose करते हैं. Help in mineral cycling, they also help in detromites, help in mineral cycles, mineral की production में help करते हैं. Example है Trichoderma alternaria. Alternaria. Is it clear, everybody? That is the kingdom fungi. We have discussed the general characteristic feature of fungi, hyper-like structure, septa, asepta, and classes of fungi, and their reproductive system, their lifestyle. They exist as a saprophyte, parasitic, as well as anybody want to ask any question? Today your homework is prepare your note up to detromites. Is it clear?